What's going on, everyone? This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 8/12/2025. I'm doing a hit recap from our 2025 Top Series 1 Baseball Celebration 4-box break number 2. Guys, these are going to be the confettis, any of the parallels, numbered or not, the silvers, and we did pull a relic. All cards do ship, though, from the break. You can look in the description for the full break link. All right. Here we go. We have Corey Lee, Cabrian Hayes, Jose Ramirez, Jacob Wilson rookie, Marcus Stroman. Is that a word? Yeah. Jacob Wilson rookie. Marcus Stroman, River Ryan, Patrick Bailey, Jake Rogers, Carlos Rodriguez rookie, Malloy rookie, Andrew McCutcheon. We've got a Lawrence Butler, Jonathan India, James Wood, rookie, Jake Cave, Jesus Sanchez, Hurston Waldrop, O'Neill Cruz, Tanner Beebe, Joe Adell, John Gray, Adrian Del Castillo, there we go, Ahmad Rosario, Jake Delicious Burger, Max Schumann, the San Diego Padres, Drew Thorpe, Teoscar Hernandez, Corey Seager, Rhys Hoskins, Ronald Acuna Jr., Shea Langoliers, Drew Romo rookie, Miles Nicholas. This will go to the team on the left, Chris Sale. Boston, Cole Reagans, Alec Boehm, and Luis Garcia Jr. Silvers, Cedric Mullins, Freddie Peralta, Nathaniel Lowe, Perfect Weather in San Diego, Patrick Bailey, and River Ryan. All right. Saw this at the beginning. Dylan Moore, Team Border. Nolan Ryan, Pink Roll Call. We got a Tristan Cassis, light blue silver, aqua maybe. And then pink confetti of Edwin Diaz and Xander Bogaerts. We also pulled one relic, George Kirby. All right, appreciate you guys filling it up. Get it shipped out in the next shipping batch.